Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jereel on your screen with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you different ways to style your head wrap even when you have braids, puffs or anything. As you guys know, I've been in these braids for close to 2 months and it's pretty old, and I'm trying to discover more ways of still rocking my braids outside without having to show or to tell that it is old. So I incorporated a couple of head wraps that you can try out on your old box braids, on your puff, on your teeny weeny afro TWA hair. These styles are so versatile. You can tie it to your preference anyhow you want to tie it. And this head wrap is not basically for only when your braids are old. If you're someone who loves rocking head wraps, maybe for a vacation, for a photo shoot, any other good stuff, you can as well incorporate this style. Whatever reason that you have tying head wraps, this head wrap tutorial I have filmed is definitely going to get you covered. If you're new to this channel and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I have a wonderful personality, as you guys can see. I'm more jovial and it's fun in here. We just have fun here, and we get to learn things from one another. And please do well to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please turn on your post notification bell if you are just subscribing to my channel now. Turn that post notification bell, is right beside the subscribe icon, so whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Please always comment on any video you enjoyed watching, and I'll always reply to your comments. So without much ado, let's dive right into the video. So guys, it's Jereel on the mic doing a voiceover. During the course of editing this video, I was hearing a lot of background noise, so I decided to mute the original clip and do a voiceover over it. Alright, so that is why you see me over the mic talking in the microphone. So for the first style we have here, I'm just going to put my hair all back. I'm not going to tie it or anything. It's just going to lie free behind my head. And I'm picking up this tribal scarf that I thrifted. All the scarves used in this video are thrifted scarves, and I really love them. So I'm going to put the scarf over my head. I divided the scarf into two. So I'm going to put that over my head and bring the remaining scarf over my neck and kind of twist it up. I always love twisting my scarves up. It actually makes the scarf appear better and intentional when an admirer is looking at it. So I'm going to twist the two other strands that remained from the scarf, and I'm wrapping it around my head, and I'm going to secure that at the back. This style is very easy. It always comes out cute and nice, so I really love this style. So I'm going to secure it at the back of my head and pull it back a little bit to really bring out my face, and I love how this looks. And here you have it for style 1. Let me know what you think about this style. So guys, for the next style, I'm going to be putting my hair into a top bun. Alright, so I'm bringing my hair to the front and securing it with a shoelace. I'm trying not to tie too hard because a lot is going on with this hair already. Okay, since I'm going to secure it with a scarf or hide the roughness of the hair with a scarf, I don't see any reason in tying the braids too tight with a shoelace. So it's just a free hanging top bun. And I have this other beautiful floral head wrap I thrifted as well, and I'm going to divide this head wrap into a triangular shape. If you look at the shape it's taken, it has 3 sides, and yes, I put it over my head and twist the extra scarf or wrap from the extending from the head wrap. So I'm going to twist it. Like I said, twisting always makes it come out defined and intentional. So I'm going to wrap the 2 hanging strands of the scarf, and I'm going to tie it around my head, and then I'm bringing the excess scarf remaining. I'm going to secure that in front and tuck the leftover. I'll just hide that away from viewers, so you don't see that there's something still hanging there. I'm going to define this around my bun. Like I said, my bun is messy already, so it's just a lot. So I'm going to try to tuck in and, you know, put the scarf in order so it appears better. And here you have it for style 2. So guys, this third style is basically when you are trying to hide the root of your hair. That is what this style is basically doing, and I do this style for whenever I want to hide the root of my hair, because as you guys can see, the root is very old and rough. So I'm just going to divide the scarf into, it's a very large scarf, so I folded it till I was satisfied with the width of the scarf, and I put it from the back of my head coming to the front and still doing that twisting up method. And yeah, I'm going to bring it to the front again because the excess material is a lot, the leftover is a lot, and because it's a big scarf, it was able to go around my head twice, and I'm securing that at the back and basically hiding any imperfection, okay, because I can only see my front, I can't see my back. So with my hands and my sense, I'm trying to hide away any imperfection. And here you have style 3. Is very cute for when you're trying to hide the root of your head and let your braids peek out, or let your puff or your bun peek out. This is very cute. So guys, for the next style, I'm going to release my hair from that top bun and just let it flow behind my head. And with the same scarf, I'm going to do this really chic style I see in almost every vacation picture, every summer picture, if that makes sense. Like people bringing their scarf and, you know, tying it by their side, I mean by the side of their ear or by the side of their head, if that makes sense. This is also a very chic style. You can wear this style like this, okay. This is also very chic, but this would have been better if you were using a very small scarf. It will come out very fine. I think I was supposed to use that, but because I didn't have one around, I used this. You can rock this like this, or you can go for the next style, and all you need to do is to, you know, twist the excess fabric, the excess scarf, yeah, twist it up like that and roll it around itself, forming like a side bun. These are basically summer or vacation head wrap styles I see on Pinterest, on Instagram, and it's also very cute. This style suits me so well. I love it. So my shakara don't start, and here you have it for style number 3 and 4, any number you want to give it. This is so chic, so gorgeous, and I love it. So guys, for style number 5, I have a new head wrap. Like I said, I thrifted a lot. So this style is basically also kind of creating a knot, or should I call it a knot, but it's just trying to hide the root of your hair, especially your front hair. Okay, so this style is very chic. I folded the scarf again into a sizable length, like a width, yes, that's the word, and I'm wrapping it the same way, the same method I've always explained to you guys, and I'm going to secure and hide away the excesses at the back of my head. My braids are basically going to cover, this time around the braids are on the scarf, not other ones. I tie the scarf over the braids on the scarf, so it's going to hide the excess fabric, the excess head wrap remaining. Yeah, so that is me doing my shakara, and here you have it for style number 5. You can actually go ahead and add and apply some edge control on your baby hair to tame that down, but anyhow the style still came out very bomb and cute. So guys, for style number 6, I'm going to secure my hair with a shoelace. I'm going to just create a low bun at the back of my hair. These braids are so voluminous, so even if I'm putting the bun low, it's still going to appear big and bulky. But anyhow, I'm just securing my hair and putting on a wig cap to entirely hold that bun together, else it's going to fall apart. Okay, so now I use this scarf as the other one. I use the same scarf, and here I'm putting it on my head. All right, you're going to create a low bun. This style is actually called a low bun. A low bun, I don't know if it has other names, but I'm just going to create a low bun with this style. So I'm still wrapping the excess material as always, and I'm putting it around the bun. I'm putting it over the bun from the left to the right and from the right to the left, as you can see in the video. And I'm going to secure that as well. Securing means just tying it up basically. I don't know the other method apart from tying it up. I'm sure some other people use bobby pin, but if you're sure of that, you can use it. So here we have it. So cute, very easy to do. If this is actually what you learned out from this video, this one is the most easiest to pull. Yeah, so this is so cute, and I really love the style. It flatters my face, it flatters my look, and yeah, that is basically how this hairstyle turned out. It's so cute, and I love it. Hey guys, we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comment section, and do well to give this video a thumbs up. All right, please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe icon. Okay, I'd love to read your comments below. Let me know your favorite. I have a favorite, and this is one of my favorite. I think in the course of the video I discovered that I love 2 other styles, making it 3 styles in total that I love so much. But this is going to be my best. Okay, this is going to be my best, and my best can be different from your best because we are different persons, we have different faces. So what might suit me may not suit you, and what will suit you may not suit me or might not suit me. So it is how it is. That's how it is. Life no balance. So I want to know what you love in the comment section, which one you'll be trying out the most, and if possible, I'd love to know what videos you guys want to see. I have series of videos coming up, but I want to know what you guys want to see on this channel, because the community is getting large and large as the day goes by. So I'd love to know what these new friends and new subscribers would love to see from me. I love to know all that. And yeah, we've gotten to the end of this video. I think that's pretty much I want to say. I don't intend this video to be long. I know styling videos are almost very long, but anyhow, I think this is where we draw the curtains. Like I said, subscribe to my channel and turn that post notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.